Okay, so now we will now talk about on how to derive trigonometric functions. Let's start with this. Y equals 2 sine 3x squared. Now, for deriving this, we never change what's inside this parenthesis, okay? That is the main rule. Okay, let's bring down 2. Now, let's find the derivative of sine, which is cos. And then let's bring this down. Let's bring this down. Now, we need to find the derivative of what's inside this parenthesis, which is 6x. That's the derivative. Now, we take the derivative of this number and we multiply it into our coefficient. So 6 times 2, which gives us 12x, and then bring down the rest. 12x cos 3x squared, and there. That is our answer for our first trigonometric equation. Now, let's move on to the next one, which is 5 tan sine x. Now, again, let's bring it down. 5. The derivative of tan is secant squared. And bring the sine x down as well. Now, okay, now that we got this, we need to find the derivative of sine x, which gives us cos x. Now that we got the derivative of sine x, we multiply this cos x into our coefficient, which is 5. So 5 cos x times 5, it gives us 5 cosine x times that with the secant squared parenthesis sine x. There. This is our answer for this equation, 5 tan sine x. Now, let's move on to our last equation, secant. Now, the derivative of secant is tangent, and secant as well. So let's write it down. So secant. Let's bring this down since it's part of it. 4x squared plus 5x plus 1. And this is the same with tan, okay? 4x squared plus 5x plus 1. Now, let's find the derivative of what's inside the parenthesis. 4 times 2, which gives us 8x plus 5. 8x plus 5. Yes, that is our derivative. Now, we take this 8x plus 5, put it in the for least part, 8x plus 5, and then we just bring this down again. Secant 4x squared plus 5x plus 1, and then tan 4x squared plus 5x plus 1, and there. That will be our final answer for this equation, y equals secant 4x squared plus 5x plus 1. Now, that is how I personally solve my trigonometry. That is how I personally find the derivative of the trigonometric functions.